Alright, Wildcatters and other folks doing rust repair. Back at the 65 Wildcat here. The trunk forward driver's side body mount was rusted. The bolt broke off. I tried welding a nut on. That broke off. So I said, you know what? Before I worry about breaking drill bits and easy outs and all that aggravating mess, I'll just cut the floor and put a new nut in. So that's what I did. Had to wallow the hole a little bit just because, well, dealing with parts from 3 different cars here, stuff didn't quite line up just like it did in the factory way back when. My garage is slightly less capable than the factory was, so here we are. But we're about to weld that piece back in and then seal up the floor, and hopefully we'll never see it again. Okay, cage nuts back in. I welded it, held it, about to cover it up. Alright, so we got it welded, tacked all the way around multiple times, tried to control the heat mostly, but it's in the trunk, so it's going to be painted over with bed liner. So the butt ugly welds will be held in anyway. So I'll show you one last thing. Alright, went ahead and wire wheeled it, so that's after wire wheel and before grinder. Alright, finished grinding it up with this here Walter Flex cut that I learned about from Tony Fitzpatrick with Fitzy's Fabrications. So don't look bad. Don't look at the other crap because it does not look the greatest, but I'm going to take a dolly to it, try to straighten it out, and then again, this is all getting painted by bed liner here pretty soon. Got a few more patches to make back here where the tank straps go, and then we'll have this thing buttoned up.